Well, happy Thursday, everybody. Thanks for joining us here. Valley News Live at 10 o'clock. A fantastic look, a nice quiet look, as a matter of fact, from our Luther Family Ford Skycam. Seeing a few raindrops, though, flying on the lens here of the Skycam, and still seeing some water in the parking lot from those showers and storms earlier, but by and large, things not looking too bad out there. As this low pressure system, however, does continue to impact our region. Here's how things look currently at Hector International Airport. The air temperature, comfortable 66 degrees, but take note of the dew point. That's the measure of moisture in the air. That's at 64 degrees. So the closer the air temperature and dew point get together, the more saturated the air becomes, and that's why our relative humidity right now is at 93 degrees. Almost feels like South Georgia when you're stepping outside with relative humidities that high. Take note of the air pressure, now steady. So we were seeing falling air pressure earlier. Now we're seeing steady. That's good news that we're starting to crest the peak of this low pressure system now that we're on the back side of it. Also telling you that we're on the back side of that low pressure is that west-northwest wind at 7. Temperatures in the 60s for pretty much everybody. Looks like Bemidji at 63, Devils Lake 63, Langdon 63, all the cooler spots. 64 right now in Grand Forks, 65 that temperature there in Jamestown. Still seeing some upper 60s for our friends there in Aberdeen and in Sisseton. So here's the low pressure system making its way further and further toward the east. It's moving slowly but surely in through our far eastern neighborhood. Starting to see some embedded lightning now in northern Minnesota as well. Closer into the metro, this is one of those little isolated showers that we were seeing, putting some raindrops down on the Luther Family Ford Skycam. Seeing the same kind of pattern up toward the Hillsboro area as well, just some light rain showers occurring there. Here's the center of this low. You can see that little embedded thunderstorm there in the western part of Roseau County, moving toward the Kittson County line as we speak. Some moderate to at times heavy rainfall occurring there in far northwestern Minnesota as well. So look at this. From the past 24 hours, radar has estimated over 4 inches of rain have fallen in that right along Highway 2 outside Devils Lake, and then a lot of folks there along and north of Highway 2 in that 1 to 3 inch range when it comes to radar estimated precipitation. And Lakes Country saw a pretty good dash of rainfall today as well, from Clearbrook down into portions of Becker County into toward Pelican Rapids. 1 to 3 inches of rain fell in that narrow band that was moving from basically southwest to north. And this also in Becker County, one of the spots that we did see a video of that funnel cloud from earlier today. Also today was the latest drought update. This does not include the rainfall we saw today, but the good news is we're seeing some rain falling in some of these areas, especially down toward the Southern Valley, which is now in a moderate drought, right near the Breckenridge-Wahpeton area and Lidgerwood there. That deeper kind of tan color is that moderate drought. So of course we'll see that next Thursday we get another update, and that should have all the rain we got today factored into it. Here's the hour by hour for the rest of the night tonight. Still could perhaps see an isolated funnel cloud. We're still pretty close to the center of low pressure, but now that sunset has come and gone, I think that chance of a funnel cloud is decreasing. But regardless, still seeing the shower and storm chances continuing all night long. Stopping us at 4 a.m., still seeing some rain, some rumbles of thunder embedded in some of these showers as well. Tomorrow morning, your commute for your Friday, some scattered rain, especially toward the south where we could see some heavier rain showers for that morning commute. And then lunchtime, things start to improve in the north. You notice plenty of dry time up there for the lunchtime walk there in the northern valley. North wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Still seeing those some lingering showers and rumbles of thunder in our southern and eastern counties. Dinner time tomorrow. I want to stop this here as well. Wrapping around this low pressure system. We're watching for a narrow band of rain and could be some rumbles of thunder here as well. That looks to hang on in some of our southern and eastern counties as well as the low pressure system exits. But by sunset tomorrow, look at how that fizzles out. So I think sunset tomorrow is going to be our time when things improve, and just in time for the weekend, might I add, that high pressure does indeed move in. For tomorrow in Fargo, seeing those temperatures in the low 60s to start, and seeing just a chance of scattered showers and rumbles of thunder pretty much all day long up until that dinner time hour tomorrow. So but look at the weekend. Boy, 70s, mid 70s for both Saturday and Sunday. Fantastic outdoor weather to say the least. Then we're back near 80 for the rest of the week. Next week, we have to dodge a few showers or rumbles there Wednesday and Thursday of next week as well.
Looking like summer still though.
Looking like summer, and this weekend getting some last summer activities in looks pretty good.
All right, thanks Nathan.
Yeah.
The big